We're the Dye family. I'm Chrissy. This is JL, Jacob, Dylan, and Destiny. We've been staying at the St. Francis House since November of last year. We are excited and honored to receive this award. We've experienced some wonderful blessings from staying at the St. Francis House, and we're just very, very honored and touched to be given this award.
Thank you for giving the reward to us, and the St. Francis House has really given us, relieved me of a lot of stress from just all the things that they have provided for us to let me focus more on getting us into a house, which hopefully will be soon. And from the Dye family, we want to
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.